Want to adopt a new plant but feeling too afraid that it won't survive? Well, fear no more, because today me and Susu are sharing with you 7 easy plants that even beginners can take care of. Starting with number 1, plastic plants. Of course, I'm kidding, we all want alive plants, and let's go ahead with the real number 1, which is Lucky Bamboo, and I have it here. This is Lucky Bamboo, and it is one of the easiest plants. If you never had a plant before, you're a complete beginner, then this is the plant for you, because it can survive even if you throw it in the garbage can. For them to survive, you just need to provide a little bit of water, enough to cover the roots, and they will be just fine. Of course, you can pot them into soil, but I've always had mine inside water with huge success, so it's a matter of personal preference. You just need to avoid direct sunlight, especially if they do not have enough water, because they can get burned and lose their color. Another great thing about Lucky Bamboo is that you can use them inside aquariums just as decoration, and they filtrate the water to keep the quality high. Number 2, Pothos, the god of vines. Easiest propagation ever. You just need to cut a leaf with node here and here, and then just put it inside water or soil, and it will form roots from here, and soon you will have a new plant. There is no need for overwatering with these plants. Actually, you should and can let them dry completely before watering them thoroughly. So don't eat the plant. And they can tolerate almost every indoor temperature, and they do not need a lot of light. They can tolerate low light conditions, but they have the maximum growth in medium to high indirect, always indirect light, because sun will burn them. Number 3, spider plant, the gifted plant. And I say gifted because there was a time when people wanted to give a gift to someone, to a friend or neighbor, they would just give them spider plants because they are really easy to propagate. As you can see, this one already has a baby here, and actually this one is a baby from the one at the garden. Once again, with these plants you need to make sure that they stay away from direct sun. Number 4, snake plants. This might be the best plants for a lot of you, because the best thing that you can do in order for them to thrive is to stay away from them. You should never overwater them, and it is a good suggestion for you to use terracotta pots to any plants that do not like moisture, because terracotta pots usually don't hold a lot of moisture because they are porous in material, and this helps the moisture to escape. They can tolerate low light conditions, but once again they thrive best if they have the proper amount of indirect light. Number 5, the ZZ plant, the Sleeping Beauty. These plants can survive in extremely low light situations, but that doesn't mean that you can put them inside your closet and call it a day, because surviving doesn't mean thriving. So you need to provide them medium to high indirect light once again. They usually don't like a lot of overwatering and stagnant water in their roots, because they will develop root rot. But that being said, they are pretty easy. You just adopt them and forget them, kind of. Number 6, peace lilies. These little plants here are the drama queens of all the plants, because they have a dramatic way to show you that they need to be watered. They will drip their leaves like this, and it is really dramatic. You cannot miss these signs, so it is really easy to take care of them. You just need to remember to water them. I actually use some in my aquariums or leca pots, and they are thriving. Enough light will make them grow faster, and you can avoid getting yellow leaves. Sometimes they have flowers, this one does not, because it is still a new plant. This is actually a part that we propagated last season from the big peace lily. These are the peace lilies, the queens. These little things, these little companions that look like minions, are the best plants for everyone because all they need is to spray some water once every other day at the summer, and during the winter time once a week is enough for them. You just need to make sure that the water does not go inside the heart because this will cause them to rot. They are wonderful and you can actually take them with you in vacations because when the options are to stay in house and die or go into a vacation, then vacations are the best choice for these little things. You can hand them into your car and just take them with you. No pots, no soil and no mess, just a little water spray and enough light, not direct light once again, and they will thrive. When the plant matures like this one, it will form some babies and they will continue to grow till the day that unfortunately the mother will die and you will be left alone with these babies to take care of them. I am going to make some more detailed guides in the future about each plant specifically, but for now I will leave you with this information.